Hello, I am Pranay Kumar Rohitbhai Patel from Gujarat State, India, and I am excited to share my journey with you. I am applying for postgraduate certificate in cybersecurity operations program at York University. Firstly, talking about my qualifications, I completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in Information Technology from Gujarat Technological University with first class honors. I have completed my MTech in Artificial Intelligence from CVM University with remarkable CGPA of 8.0. My MTech dissertation project focused on static malware detection with machine learning. It is based on cyber security. Moving further, I want to talk about my professional experience. After completion of my Bachelor's of Engineering, I joined Revokarma Hub Software and Service Private Limited as Junior Analyst. I have also completed 11-month internship after my master's degree. During my 11-month internship, I gained practical experience in data security and utilized AI-driven methodologies to enhance cybersecurity measures. I collaborated with cybersecurity professionals, analyzing threats and implementing robust solutions. Beyond my academic and professional pursuits, I actively seek opportunities to expand my knowledge and skills in cybersecurity and technology domain. To this end, I have enthusiastically participated in various logical seminars and competitions, such as hackathons, ransomware protection, and Save the Future of AI. After extensive research and evaluation of various institutes, I am delighted to express my firm belief that York University is perfect fit for my academic and personal growth in the field of cybersecurity. The Cybersecurity Operations program at York University is my ideal choice to achieve my aspirations given its exceptional curriculum and hands-on approach to cybersecurity education. The Cybersecurity Operations program at York University is unparalleled in its comprehensive curriculum and practical approach to cybersecurity domain. The program's focus on hands-on training and ethical hacking resonates with my desire to gain real-world experience and tackle cybersecurity challenges head-on. Additionally, the university's strong industry connection and access to cutting-edge resources ensure that I will have ample opportunities to network with industry professionals and stay abreast of the latest advancement in cybersecurity. My academic excellence, research endeavors, professional experience, and dedication to the field of cybersecurity make me highly enthusiastic about enrolling in cybersecurity operations program at York University. By joining this program at York University, I am confident that I will not only gain the expertise and practical skills necessary to thrive in cybersecurity landscape, but also become part of a supportive community that nurture academic and personal growth. I am eager to contribute my skills and knowledge to York University's legacy excellence in cybersecurity education. Thank you.